Welcome to Walletopia. We have today a wallet, Delanora. It is a bifold and it is from Brazil. So let's get into it. This is a soft cotton pouch that it has. Nice tissue paper, and here we go. This is called the Speciale, or the Special. It's a whiskey color. Feels really good too. Let's look at some of this sewing on here. Nice bifold. Nice little wallet. All right, for the feature review, now on the Delanora. The Delanora bifold wallet. There's no features on the exterior of this particular wallet, so if we move onto the interior, we notice that on the left-hand side we have 2 card slots here. We have another card slot behind that on the left rear. And as a mirror on the right-hand side, we have 2 card slots. Each can hold 2+ cards, and another card slot in the rear of this one as well. Very simple wallet, but a nice design. That is very typical design, but it's nice. And there's the feature review of the Delanora Whiskey Special. Now onto the card and cash insertion test. The minimalist carry option is 4 cards and reasonably about 8 or so. From the credit card carry perspective, the company indicates it can hold 4 to 8. We put 8 in here just fine, 5 slips of cash. And from a quality perspective, this is designed and handmade in southern Brazil. It is a full grain veg tan leather from audited and environmentally certified premium leather from the Leather Working Group. It has folded over edges that you can see right here. And that's fine. I mean, the sewing on it is just fine. Looks good. One thing that I really like about this wallet in particular is that where a lot of wallets that incorporate lining have lining everywhere, this one doesn't. It has lining right here on the inside and the back on both sides, as you can see right in here. Okay, but if you're looking at it from the pockets themselves, the pockets are full leather all the way down, all the way through. So really the only place where you have lining is on the back of both sides. And so this really maximizes leather and making it soft and reduces its profile as much as it can without totally compromising leather. So the lining in the wallets, it's fine. I don't prefer them, but in this case, like I demonstrated, it's really perfectly fine. And I don't mind it. And the leather is thinner, much like Belroy wallets, but it does smell really good. I mean, this is a good leather. Now it's priced at $40. It's 167 reals in Brazil. And I think it's a great price for what you get. It's very soft, very easy to put cards and cash into. Expect it to conform to your body and be an easy front pocket wallet. It measures 4 inches by 3.3 by 0.2, and it weighs 51 grams. So you get an idea of how much leather is in this. Really, very good value for the price. I really do like this wallet. Has a 1-year warranty as well with it, and the owner of the company makes great products. Had a great conversation with him. So now let's get to the final score. For quality of 4, price of 5, features of 3, usability of 4, and perception of 3. And that gives us a final score of 40 out of 50. Thanks for joining us. Look at the links below. Visit their site. You can use Google Translate to translate it from Portuguese to English if you're interested in purchasing something from them. And let me know how you do there. Look for your comments below, and I appreciate you joining us today. Thanks, bye.